Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel SG Education. Today we will see class 8 subject science chapter 11 human body and organ system exercise solutions. Question 1, find out my partner. Group A, first heartbeats, second RBC, third WBC, fourth blood donation, fifth normal body temperature, sixth pH of oxygenated blood. And group B, A 350 ml, B 7.4, C 37 degrees Celsius, D 72 per minute, E 50 to 60 lakh per mm cube, F 5000 to 6000 per mm cube. Answer: first heartbeats 72 per minute. Second RBC 50 to 60 lakh per mm cube. Third WBC 5000 to 6000 per mm cube. Fourth blood donation 350 ml. Fifth normal body temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Sixth pH of oxygenated blood 7.4. Question 2, complete the following table. Organ systems: first respiratory system, second circulatory system. We have to write the organs and their functions. Answer: first respiratory system. Organs: nose. Its function for inhalation and exhalation. The air is filtered and made little warm when breath passes through nose. Pharynx. Function: common passage for food and air, leads to trachea and esophagus. Windpipe. Function: takes air to lungs, bifurcates into two bronchi. Lungs. Function: provides space for respiratory gaseous exchange. Alveolus. Function: actual gaseous exchange by taking in oxygen and giving into carbon dioxide. Diaphragm. Function: by contractions and relaxation, it makes breathing movements possible. Now second, circulatory system, its organs and functions. First, heart. Function: muscular pump that can send the blood throughout the body. Arteries. Function: carry blood away from heart to all the parts of the body except for pulmonary artery. All other arteries carry oxygenated blood to supply oxygen to each and every cell. Veins. Function: carry blood to the heart except for pulmonary veins. All other veins carry deoxygenated blood from all the body cells to the heart. Blood capillaries. Its function: each important vital organ is provided with capillary network. Exchange of oxygen, nutrients, hormones, vitamins, etc. takes place through the capillary wall. Such useful substances are sent towards the cells and waste materials are taken from the cells. Blood cells. Its function: various functions depending upon the type of blood cells. RBC, carrying oxygen and carbon dioxide. WBC, soldiers of the body, produce antibodies and fight against germs of diseases. Platelets, carry out important function in blood clotting. Plasma, its functions: many proteins present in the plasma which carry out definite functions. Plasma also gives fluidity to the blood. Question 3. Draw neat and label diagram. Question A. Respiratory system. The neat label diagram of respiratory system is shown here. Question B. Internal structure of heart. The internal structure of heart is shown here. Question 4. Explain with reasons. Question A. Human blood is red colored. Answer. The red color of human blood is due to hemoglobin, which is a red colored conjugated protein with iron that is present on the red blood cells. Therefore, it looks red. Question B. Upward and downward movement of diaphragm occurs consecutively. Answer. The breathing movements are possible due to contraction and relaxation of diaphragm. The rib muscles also help in these movements. When the ribs rise and diaphragm is lowered at the same time, then there is a decrease in pressure on lungs. This causes movement of air into the lungs at the time of inhalation. On the other hand, when ribs come back to their normal position and diaphragm is risen, then pressure on the lungs increases. This causes movement of air out of the body through the nose in the form of exhalation. These movements are possible only due to consecutive upward and downward movement of the diaphragm. Question C. Blood donation is considered to be superior of all donations. Answer. Blood cannot be manufactured by any artificial chemical process. The only way to obtain blood is by donations of blood from a live donor. Blood is needed at times of emergency. The life of person can be saved if timely blood transfusion is given to the needy victim or a patient. Since such donation can save a valuable human life, it is called superior of all donations. Question D. Person with O blood group is considered as universal donor. Answer. Person with O blood group does not have any antigen on his or her RBCs. The O-type blood thus cannot cause clotting reactions in the body of the recipients. Such persons with O blood group can donate blood to any person having any blood group. Therefore, they are considered as universal donor. Question E. Food must have limited amount of salts. Answer. More salt in diet means more sodium ions. These extra sodium salts cause rise in blood pressure. Such condition is called hypertension. This condition can be dangerous and fatal in some cases. Therefore, one must keep control over sodium content of the food. Question 5. Answer the following questions in your own word. Question A. Explain the functional correlation of circulatory system with respiratory, digestive and excretory system. Answer. Three systems, respiratory, digestive and circulatory, always work in coordination. Digestive system helps in breaking down complex food molecules into simple soluble nutrients at the end of the digestion process. The soluble nutrients are absorbed in the circulating bloods in the villi of the intestine. The blood carries these nutrients to each cell during its circulation. The respiratory system helps the oxygen from the air to be absorbed in the blood. This process takes place in alveolus present in the lungs. The oxygen is absorbed in the blood and through hemoglobin it is taken to every cell of the body. At the same time, the unwanted carbon dioxide produced in each cell is given out in a process of gaseous exchange. The soluble nutrients and chiefly glucose is metabolized with the help of oxygen producing energy. Thus, all the three systems bring about coordinated functions to keep the body alive. Question B. Explain the structure and function of human blood. Answer. Structure, that is components of the human blood. Human blood is a fluid connective tissue consisting of blood plasma and blood corpuscles suspended in it. First, plasma. Plasma is the fluid part of the blood which is pale yellow in color. It is slightly alkaline in nature. It has 90 to 92% water, 6 to 8% proteins, and 1 to 2% inorganic salts. It contains proteins such as albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, etc. There are inorganic ions such as Ca, Na, and K. Second, blood cells. Blood cells are mainly of three types: RBCs, WBCs, and blood platelets. They are produced in the red bone marrow. RBCs are small, circular, and enucleated cells. They are full of hemoglobin, which is essential in transporting oxygen. RBCs are red blood cells, which are 50 to 60 lakh per cubic millimeter. Their lifespan is 100 to 127 days. WBCs are large, nucleated, and colorless. They are of five subtypes: neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils, monocytes, lymphocytes. They are 5 to 10 thousands per millimeter of blood. Platelets are very small disc-shaped blood cells which are 2.5 to 4 lakh per cubic millimeter of blood. Functions of blood. First, transport functions. Gases. Oxygen is carried via blood from lungs to cells in various parts of the body, and carbon dioxide from tissues to lungs. Nutrients. Some simple nutrients like glucose, amino acids, fatty acids are taken up by blood from wall of alimentary canal and transported up to each cell in the body. Waste materials. Nitrogenous wastes like ammonia, urea, creatinine are released by tissues into blood, which carries those to kidney for excretion. Enzymes and hormones. Blood transports the enzymes and hormones from the site of their production to the site of their action. Protection. Antibodies are produced in the blood and they protect the body from microbes and other harmful particles. Third, thermoregulation. Body temperature is maintained constant at 37 degrees Celsius by vasodilation and vasoconstriction, maintaining the balance of minerals like Na, K in the body. If bleeding occurs at the injury, platelets and a protein called fibrinogen of the blood form a clot and seal the injury. Functions of blood cells. RBCs. With hemoglobin, it carries out transport of respiratory gases. WBCs. Soldiers of the body. Produce antibodies and give immunity to the body. Platelets. Help in blood clotting. Question C. Explain the importance and need of blood donation. Answer. Blood can never be synthesized artificially. There is no substitute for natural blood. Every healthy person possesses about 5 liters of blood in his or her body. In case of hemorrhage, that is blood loss, the blood volume may reduce, which can result into threat to life. Moreover, the loss of blood should be immediately taken care of, otherwise it may cost the life. Therefore, blood transfusion is very crucial in case of victims of accidents, patients of surgeries, or mothers who suffer from blood loss during childbirth. Some diseases such as thalassemia, blood cancer, etc. also need regular transfusions. Therefore, blood is always needed in many such conditions. Blood donation is only option for such transfusions. Question 6. Explain the differences. Question A. Arteries and veins. Answer. The difference between arteries and veins is given below. First, arteries carry blood away from the heart to the tissues of the body. Veins carry blood from the tissues of the body back to the heart. Second, arteries are located deeper within the body. Veins are usually located superficially beneath the surface of the skin. Third, arteries are thick-walled and veins are thin-walled. Fourth, arteries do not have walls. Veins have walls. Fifth, arteries would generally remain open if blood flow stopped due to their thick muscular layer, and veins would collapse if blood flow stops. Sixth, except pulmonary artery, all arteries carry oxygenated blood. Except pulmonary vein, all veins carry deoxygenated blood. 7. Arteries are more muscular than veins, which helps in transporting blood that is full of oxygen and efficiently to the tissues. Veins are less muscular than arteries but contain valves to help keep blood flowing in the right direction, usually toward the heart. 8. There is maximum blood pressure in the arteries and there is minimum blood pressure in the veins. Question B. External and internal respiration. Answer. The difference between external and internal respiration is given below. First, intake of air from the outside into the body and release of air from the body to the outside. It is called external respiration. Exchange of gases between cells and tissue fluid is called internal respiration. Second, external respiration occurs between cells and the external environment. Internal respiration occurs only in the cells of the body. Third, it involves processes of inspiration and expiration. It involves movements of O2 from blood into tissue fluid and movement of CO2 from tissue. Fourth, external respiration involves breathing and gaseous exchange. Internal respiration involves neither breathing nor gaseous exchange. Fifth, oxygen combines with hemoglobin in external respiration. Chemical reactions occur in the cells to form energy. Question 7. Which health parameters of blood donor should be checked? Answer. Blood donor should be healthy. He or she should have good hemoglobin's content. The RBC and WBC count should also be normal. They should not carry any parasites in their blood such as malarial parasite or dengue virus. The donor should not be HIV positive or should not have any infectious diseases. He should not have any addictions such as drug abuse or alcohol consumption. Question 8. Fill in the blanks using appropriate words given in the bracket. Hemoglobin, alkaline, diaphragm, red bone marrow, acidic, voluntary, involuntary. Question A. RBCs of the blood contain fill in the blank an iron compound. Answer. RBCs of blood contain hemoglobin, an iron compound. B. Fill in the blank is present between thoracic and abdominal cavity. Answer. Diaphragm is present between thoracic and abdominal cavity. Question C. Cardiac muscles are fill in the blank. Answer. Cardiac muscles are involuntary. Question D. pH of oxygenated blood is fill in the blank. Answer. pH of oxygenated blood is alkaline. Question E. Production of RBCs occurs in fill in the blank. Answer. Production of RBCs occurs in red bone marrow. Question 8. Find odd one out. Question A. A, O, K, A, B, B. Answer. K. All others are blood groups. Question B. Blood plasma, platelets, blood transfusion, blood corpuscles. Answer. Blood transfusion. All others are components of blood. Question C. Trachea, alveoli, diaphragm, capillaries. Answer. Capillaries. All others are parts of respiratory system. Capillaries exist throughout the body. Question D. Neutrophils, globulins, albumins, prothrombin. Answer. Neutrophils. All others are proteins present in the plasma. Question 10. Read the following paragraph and identify the disease. Today, her child became 1.5 years old. However, that child does not seem to be healthy and happy. It was continuously crying and gradually becoming weak. It has shortness of breath. Its nails have become blue. Answer. The heart of the child is not functioning properly. Bluish nails show lack of oxygen. Thus, the baby may be suffering also from respiratory problems. Question 11. Your neighboring uncle has been diagnosed with hypertension. What should he do to keep his blood pressure within normal range? Answer. Hypertension has many causes. Try to find out what is the exact cause. Is it lack of exercise, obesity, lots of fast and junk food consumption, over intake of salt, mental tension, etc.? He should visit a proper physician and take prescribed blood pressure control medicines. He should never miss a single tablet. He should avoid salty and preserved food. He should practice yoga and meditation. He should also undertake some stress management techniques. Our Chapter 11 Human Body and Organ System Exercise Solutions are completed. If you like this video and want to see the similar videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel SG Education. Thank you.